Einstein married a physicist who was also a mathematician. In his letters, Einstein praised his wife Maria for her work for him in physics and their research collaboration. Lorentz and Poincare gave the general theory of relativity and also the special theory of relativity. The theories were found in Russian textbooks at that time. There seems to be a misunderstanding that Einstein created the theory of relativity. Actually, his postulations were refuted. Poincare was really the force behind the general theory of relativity and also the special theory of relativity. He worked very closely with Lorentz. Olinto di Pareto was the originator of the formula which Einstein took over for his equation. The genius of Niels Bohr and his quantum mechanics repudiated Einstein's postulations as he presented them through special relativity in whatever form. This was done face to face in 1902. David Bohr and his team used pulsars 8 billion light years away that instantly adjusted filters to record instantly and omnidirectionally dispersed atoms and energy, showing that time and space are but observational constructs. Bohr was right in 1902 to refute Einstein's presentations.
Tangled photons. It is exciting. It is. Now we do have a test, but it's not clear what the outcome will be. Boring. And since the light from the quasars controlling the test was nearly 8 billion years old, it's extremely unlikely that anything could have affected its random nature. This remaining loophole seems to be closed.
The experiment we did is just fantastic. The big cosmos comes down to control a small quantum experiment. That in itself is beautiful.
Sean Carroll says Einstein is the creator of the wonderful theory of relativity. And can we stick this to Bohr's theory? He asks. Actually, this was already done by Dr. Digigraph. At the University of Chicago Science Conference in 2008 or around that time, he presents, I give you the atheistic theory in physics, like Darwin presented an atheistic theory for biology. We know about that history, and it's actually a hypothesis without evidence. Anyway, Carroll says a mother universe gave birth to universes. My query to him, the mother creates, so why is that not a manifestation of a creator, a creative power? We call our creative power God. He narrates the big picture of the origin of life, but when I asked him about Darwinism and the origin of life there, and tried to compare his universes hypothesis, he said, I don't know Darwinism. So, what is his breakthrough really? Breaking news. In the original script, Darwin had a creator. Here's the lesson: keep some salt ready when listening to scientists. You could need it. Dr. Dijkgraaf elegantly pins space and time as a holographic projection by quantum entanglement. Einstein said that doing the same thing several times and expecting a different result is the definition of insanity. Not so elementary, Dr. E. What about the basic pinball machine? A great prediction by Einstein in the 1950s was that the computer will be handheld someday and then will breed a generation of idiots. Let's cap it all with some words from Dr. A. The word God for me is nothing more than the expression and product of human weakness. The Bible, an honorable but still primitive collection of legends which are nevertheless childish. Another quotation: does God play dice?